Hello, everyone, and a very good morning to all. This is Dr. Bright Keswani, Principal of the Academic Staff College and Professor, Learning Center of Excellence with Google in Suresh Gyan Vihar University. Today, we will discuss about the career opportunities in the field of computer science. As you all know, that the COVID era was one of the very cruel disaster of this century, but now we are again moving towards the development era. Means we are determined to grow in every in any diverse situations. So in this talk we will discuss about what positions already available for computer science students and how this pandemic created new job opportunities for them. uh, Friends, computer science is the only field which never ever outdated. Graduates in search of computer science careers can take advantage of this growing field with a wide choice and full opportunities. In this context, I want to share with you conclusive report of an international study which stated that demand for IT related jobs will leap significantly from uh, 2020 to 2028. So it is a good sign for us. Such survey projects are 30% job growth in the field of computer science in every year, which is significantly faster rate than the average of other occupations. So definitely it is a very good news for us. Uh, all those who are related, all those who are associated with the computer science courses and programs. Computer science job opportunities are depends on the knowledge and degree that each graduate obtained. A bachelor's degree opens the door to many computer science career possibilities, which includes the software development, database administration, and computer programming. So, in this talk, we will first discuss about the programs available in the field of computer science. Then we will discuss about the career opportunities available worldwide, and then we will focus that how computer-related programs are evergreen. Means no adverse circumstances can affect career opportunities of job seekers of our field, that is computer science. So let us start with the first part of this talk. Uh, Friends, there are so many programs available worldwide related to the field of computer science. You can divide all programs mainly in three categories. Uh, some UG programs are there, undergraduate programs are there, PG programs are there, and research programs are there. And let us talk them all one by one. Uh, First of all, we will talk about the undergraduate programs. Those who have finished their plus two examinations can opt BCA or BSc IT programs. The duration of these programs is of 3 years. Now the question is that what is the difference between BC and BSc IT? So friends, although both are at undergraduate level programs, but BCA provides you a technical degree, whereas BSc IT provides an academic degree with technical specialization in IT. In many European countries, they prefer the BSc IT degree program in their recruitment process. So it is equally important program. BSc IT degree program is equally important when we are seeking overseas jobs. Bachelor's degree in computer science, IT, and related disciplines generally includes 120 credit hours of coursework. And nowadays, some of the top universities have started these programs with the collaboration of industry. Such collaboration definitely make these programs more effective and as per the industry demand. Some companies like Google, IBM, Microsoft, and Amazon, these are some pioneers in this direction who are regularly visiting to collaborative universities and helping in the delivering of latest technology to students. And these IT companies have established their center of excellence in the collaborative academic institution and providing industrial environment within the campus of academic institutions. Not only this, they are running train the trainer programs to prepare existing faculty members for delivering new technologies among the students. Okay, so the collaboration with international companies, collaboration with companies like Google, IBM, and Microsoft and Amazon is a very important tie-up, very important collaboration, and I'm happy to share with you this information that our university is one of the collaborator of Google, IBM, Microsoft, and Amazon. So now let us discuss about the postgraduate programs. As far as PG programs are concerned, those who have finished their graduation degree, especially completed BCA or BSc IT, can opt MCA or MSc IT programs. Nowadays, the duration of these programs is of 2 years. Such MCA programs called as lateral entry programs, and students having degrees from other branches can also apply for admission in MCA if they have completed plus 2 examination with mathematics as one of the subject. And for such candidates, the duration of this program will be the same, but it involves the duration of bridge course also. Okay, so you can do MCA after the MCA or MSc after the completion of BSc or BSc IT. So friends, it is the only branch which is open for all, but with some conditions. And because end of the day, the student have to serve to the industry, so the tie-ups with industry made these programs more effective, more valuable, and job oriented also. I must say again that collaboration with renowned IT companies like Amazon, IBM, Unity, Google, and Microsoft made these programs more employable. In India also, they have collaboration with some very renowned universities having good ranking in NAC accreditation. So, in such industry academia collaboration, these big companies and universities working together to make new generation technically skilled, knowledgeable, and employable. Let us discuss about the research programs after the UG programs. So, friends, now we are talking about the research related possibilities and scope in the field of computer science. Those who possess master degree in computer science or computer applications can start their PhD research. You can register for PhD research after the completion of MCA or MSc IT, and you can start your research in two different ways. First of all, in the first way, go for NET or GRF examination, and after clearance of GRF, you can get fellowship to proceed your research from any university situated in India, including Suresh Gyan Vihar University, with a fixed scholarship or fellowship per month. Or secondly, you can apply for PhD entrance exam to any of the university, including Suresh Gyan Vihar University, having good research profile in the field. Some universities will also provide fellowship to their selected research scholars during the entire or part of the PhD tenure. So there are several branches of computer science where you can specialize your research. You can register yourself for research in the field of Internet of Things, big data analytics, machine learning, artificial intelligence, robotics, expert systems, database administration, networking protocols, system security, data science, real-time systems, hybridization, and cloud computing and precision agricultures. So there are ample of scope in research in the field of computer science. So there is a huge list of such branches where you can start your research work. Okay, so now we are coming to the next part of this talk, that is related to the career opportunities in computer science, which is the area you are very much interested, or being a student, you are very much interested in this portion of this talk. You know, there is no shortcut of success, and knowledge is very much essential to get a desired job. So there are ample of jobs available, but only for those who are having in-depth knowledge of the related domain. So we can say that acquiring degree is not sufficient to get a job. Domain specific knowledge is very much essential, and if you are doing any degree, you should possess, you should uh, gain a sufficient knowledge to get a job. Again, there is a huge list of positions available for students having degree or certification or specialization in the field of computer science. Uh, Data scientist, computer programmers, hardware engineer, software developer, system manager, web developer, software engineer, database administrator, cloud professional, IT architect, computer administrator, network administrator, system analyst, security analyst, information researcher, video game developer, health information technician, IoT professional, web designer. So these are some very important positions which cannot be ignored at any cost. And if you are doing BCA or MCA in the field of computer science, you can apply for these positions. So these positions are very much needed since the inception of the advancement in computing technology. Now we will discuss about some of the most common positions for which a computer science graduate can apply. Uh, um, Let us first discuss about the most potential position related to computer field, that is data scientist. We all know that data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge. Data science is related to data mining, deep learning, and big data. Data scientists are analytical experts who utilize their skills in both technology and social science to find trends and manage the data. They are they use industry knowledge, contextual understanding, and existing assumptions to uncover solutions to business challenges. So there are ample of jobs available in the field, in this field, all over the world. You can apply after the completion of your degree. Let us discuss about the next position, that is computer programmer. It is a very prominent position. Computer programmers provide valuable services across economic sectors, creating code for software and computer applications and programs. These professionals work in information technology, academia, government services, and medical fields with additional career opportunities as independent and contract workers. If you become a computer programmer, you must obtain a degree in computer science, information technology, or mathematics, or a related discipline. Okay, many employers hire entry-level computer programmers with bachelor's degree, but they prefer candidates with master degree. So at initial level or at entry level, you can hold the bachelor's degree, but at the senior level, you should possess the master degree, that is MCA. Computer programmers write and test the code that allows computer program applications and programs to function. They can translate designs from software engineers into workable code. They may also update or extend the code of existing programs or test programs for errors and finding and resolving faulty lines of code. Knowledge of programming languages are necessary skill for computer programmers, and they benefited from knowing multiple languages. So if you have some knowledge about the Linux, Java, JavaScript, C++, ASP.NET, C Sharp, SQL, PHP, HTML, CSS, Visual Basic. Okay, so these are some are the traditional languages and some are advanced languages. So uh, if you have the knowledge of Rust and Ruby, then you are you can apply for the uh, position of computer programmer. Computer programmers carry out a variety of tasks on a daily basis. They also carry out system, software, and structure tests, correcting errors and troubleshooting problems as they arise. And additional responsibility of a computer programmer includes upgrading system, overseeing technical staff, and preparing reports to send to managers and supervisors. Okay, so this is all about the position of computer programmer. Now we will discuss about the next position, that is system managers. It is very much prominent position in the field of banking, especially in the field of banking sector. It is another position available for the computer science students. The system managers oversees the computer related activities of organization and businesses. They assess technology needs, plan for installation and maintenance, and upgrade the systems. And these professionals works with system analysts, developers, and specialists. System managers should possess critical thinking. If you are a person with critical thinking, analytical mind, and problem solving skills you have, and if you have extensive knowledge of computer software and hardware, you can apply for system manager position. There is another position named computer network architect, and these are the professionals who plan and lay out the data communication networks and taking into consideration organizational interest and information security needs. They upgrade hardware and software to support the networks. They create and they research new technologies for future support purposes. Okay, so you can apply for data scientist, you can apply for a computer network architect, you can apply for computer programmer, you can apply for computer and information research scientist, and you can apply for uh, network administrator. Okay, so these are some fields where you can apply. Let us discuss about the uh, another position, which is computer hardware engineer. Computer hardware engineer designs and supervise the uh, installation of computer system and related products. They spend considerable time solving problems, guiding installation, and conducting the product testing. Computer hardware engineers creates the physical components that make computers run. When new software changes as per user needs, these professional redesign the hardware to work with the new programs. Okay, so upgradation in the computer hardware is another important uh, function which a computer hardware engineer performs. Most hardware engineers works for computer companies and component manufacturers, while others work with research organizations and government employees. In this area of quick component designing, and computer advancement, hardware engineers enjoy the opportunity to work on exciting emerging technology. For example, some designs artificial intelligence and virtual reality machines. So this field is extremely competitive. Candidates must set themselves apart with excellent academic performance and certifications. Hardware skills for hardware engineer includes programming languages also, such as C and C sharp and C++, and engineering and board designing skills. Internship also allow learners to gain hands-on experience. Interns work side by side with experienced professionals to gain insights into their responsibilities and methods. So students may also participate in degree-related competitions such as for robotics to further build their portfolios. New computer hardware engineers can qualify for their first job with degree and experience, but a recent graduate often struggle to obtain professional experience. So, those who fail to complete internship or need an extra boost can specialize credentials to add to their resumes. So these professionals must benefit from certifications which candidates can earn through professional organizations and universities. You can earn these certifications from the NPTL or other government organizations also. So you can go for Cisco and Microsoft certifications to enhance your portfolio. Software developers conceive of design and building computer programs. Some develops new applications for mobile or desktop use, while other works to build operating systems. Uh, Let us discuss about the uh, next job, that is web developer. Web developers work independently as freelancer or engaged with some companies to create websites. And depending on the job, these professionals may focus on front end development, which involves designing website and producing content, or backend development. Web developers may also become webmaster of a site, providing maintenance, updates, and troubleshooting needed. So, if you want to be a web developer, you should possess the knowledge of JavaScript, backend web development using Python, Java, or Ruby, in addition to JavaScript and PHP. Web developers often use popular software applications like Photoshop and WordPress as well. So you can have the experience of these languages and these applications if you want to be a web developer. Let us discuss about the next available job, that is database administrator or manager. So, database administrator or managers create and maintain the databases compatible with their company's need, and they are responsible for troubleshooting. They are responsible for database updation. They are responsible for storage of data, security of data. So um, although this task is very sensitive, and to maintain the data, to protect the data, to protect the sensitive information from unauthorized access, is the very challenging task. But the person who opt this uh, job as a career, being a database administrator, you should have knowledge of these in-depth knowledge of data security and data management. Okay. Uh, Now we will discuss about the next job, that is software engineer. So those interested in pursuing the software engineer career can expect growing job opportunities. Software engineer design software programs and participate in the detail of their development. Computer software engineer apply engineering principles and systematic methods to develop programs and operating data for computers. Software engineers analyze user needs, provide consultancy services, and coordinate software installation also. They they consider the customers' requirements. They design the mathematical model. They are responsible to scientifically analyze the project outcomes. So, in nowadays, the demand of high performing computer software engineers continuously growing. Okay, so these are some jobs available in for the computer students of pursuing or possess the degrees of computer science and computer science. Uh, there is a huge list of other positions also available in this field, but due to shortage of time, we had discussed about only a very few prominent jobs. uh, Students Association for Machine Computing Machinery, that is ACM, IEEE Computer Society, Association for Women in Computing, Computer Research Association, and International Association of Lab Professionals are some renowned societies having their chapters in almost all countries in the world, and they provide assistance in the field of research, recruitment, and development of computer professionals. So once you enter in this field, in the field of computer science, you should have at least one membership of uh, from these all societies, professional societies. Okay. Now we came to the third part of this talk, which is actually the last part and very much important for you all. Certainly, we all are still in a panic situation due to COVID pandemic. But as I told you in the beginning, the pandemic era has explored the new possibilities for computer science students. And nowadays, digital marketing, online shopping, banking, mobile application development, building of professional videos, video recording, use of robotics in the healthcare sector, weather forecasting, and teaching through machines, interaction and knowledge exchange with people around the world is in its peak. So these all work made now new possibilities in the field of computer science and development of applications, and will provide several benefits to students in computer science. And in my opinion, those who are seeking a bright career in computer science had chosen this university, which is having industry tie-ups, collaboration with international universities, world-class infrastructure and curriculum. Now I want to tell you that how programs running by the Suresh Gyan Vihar University are different and more valuable from other universities. So, friends, there are so many differences which segregate our technical programs from the programs running by other universities. First of all, Gyan Vihar is a research driven university accredited with A grade by NAC. We are the very first NAC A grade private university in Rajasthan, so the value of our degree is well recognized in worldwide. Computer science programs have been designed to meet the need of the ever dynamic, ever growing market industry demand, with a special emphasis on innovation, with a special stress on entrepreneurship, co-learning, and multidisciplinary research. We are committed to the cause of a brighter future of our students. And secondly, we provide the latest domain-specific knowledge to our students. Suresh Gyan University had tie-ups with best computation industries in the world like IBM, like Google, Unity, and Amazon. Our BCA, MCA, BTech, and MTech programs are powered by Google, Amazon, and IBM. We are running various specialized programs in collaboration with them, like we are offering specialization in digital analytics and artificial intelligence, machine learning through IBM Innovation Center. These are one of the few courses in India focused on artificial intelligence training, and we have established Learning Center of Excellence with Google, IBM Innovation Center for Education, and Center for Cloud Computing Infrastructure and Security with Amazon. This provides a great opportunities, great industry experience to our students. We are providing IBM graduate digital badge along with the IBM certificate to all deserving students. Thirdly, we have a tie-up with Google to prepare our students for new challenging era of digitalization. The hands-on flexible approach will empower our students for the challenges of the rapidly advancing world. Our Center of Cloud Computing Infrastructure and Security, an association with Amazon Web Services, provides experience in design and security infrastructure applications. The goal is to explore allied areas of cloud computing, IoT, big data networking, data protection, with the emphasis on varied designing, implementation, and secure network systems and applications. And to extend the research in augmented reality, virtual reality, computer gaming, and mobile applications, as ZU and Unity have combined forces. Students, we have designed specialized courses in AR, VR, and 3D graphic programming technologies. Undergraduate students are participating in Unity designed student projects. Unity will enable our students to learn from the Unity education platform and mentors. Industry-oriented syllabus is our unique feature. Our syllabus is regularly updated through our industry partners, academic collaborators, and by the experts from foreign universities. So there are so many reasons. Now I would like to elaborate some new initiatives Suresh Gyan University taken to make their computer science students more employable. As you know, that university established in 2008, and it is the first private university in Rajasthan state. So we have a huge alumni base. Our alumni is our strength, and most of them are working in European countries, and they are working as mentor also. They are helping our students in learning of new things as well as in their placements. As I discussed in our previous segments, adoption of industry-oriented latest courses and technology made our students more employable. Our university is a place for budding entrepreneurs. Many of our students explore entrepreneurship with support from our incubation centers and resulting with flourishing companies of their own. They are offered incubation opportunities with mentors from the industries. Ample of facilities available for computer science researchers uh, in Suresh Gyan Vihar University, as we have our centers with Amazon, IBM, and Google in this university. We have established centers of these big companies in our for our students in this campus, and these provides the latest computation facility to our research students also. They provide sophisticated, dedicated softwares to our researchers to get their work timely done. We have one of the biggest library in India, enriched with thousands of books, literary material, journals, and rare books. And researchers are using these resources freely and for enhance their domain-specific knowledge. We have project-oriented labs equipped with latest machines, and this university has tie-up with many international universities also for promotion in teaching, research, and development. So, friends, now that's all from my side, and I want to congratulate you all for your belief in this prestigious university and welcome you all. We will meet soon. Thank you so much.